give to you is about how to deal with energy attacks on the spots. Okay, so this is the situation. You're out there, walking around in the world, and suddenly, poof, you feel there is an energy there. It's not you, there is movement, something kinetic, something there. So what do? Time here is of the essence. You don't want whatever energy or entity is there, to get into your energies and anchor it. Then it's going to be tough to get it out. So first thing I do is I'm just going to rub that place. And, as if you're hurting yourself, you just rub that area. That messes with the chi. And then in your mind, if you're in public, you tell this thing, get out. You're not welcome here, get out, leave right away. And while rubbing it, and then you start kind of fluffing, just snipping the energy, out, keep on fluffing, and then start, breathing, connect with the earth. The earth is a heavy energy, and then start, fluffing it out right away. Go right away. So don't even let the thing, whether it's an entity or an energy, get over the wall into the city of your body. Just immediately, response. Of course, not when the cups pull you over or doing a board meeting. But that is what I recommend. And then, of course, then you start maybe blowing it out, with source love and the violet flame. Things like this, do some fine-tuning, and then you might contemplate, where did that come from? Was this scent? Was this an energy? Was this an entity? If it was scent, who sent it? Was it sent from the past? Was it sent at the present time? Who did it? Maybe call in the courts of divine justice, to take care of this, maybe send the energies back. Now, if it's an entity, was it, wrong place, wrong time? Was it karmic? Was it just a hitchhiker and energy? And why maybe you? And if it was personal, where did it happen? This lifetime or past lifetime, etc. But you don't, sit down and do something like this and investigate. No, you get you get rid of that thing first. It's like an intruder. They start to bang at the door, or trying to open the door. Yeah, you kick them out right there. Once they're in the house, it's going to be a lot more complicated. Not to make anybody paranoid, but these things happen, and especially when you're out there at the supermarket or on the highway. There are a lot of entities floating around, especially at hospitals or when there were car accidents, or dark energies. Even on highways, oh my God, people get really angry there, or desperate or whatever, especially with their car accidents. So, you gotta be careful, and keep yourself clean. And like always, I love you a long time. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow my other videos. Namaste.